Hi guys, so today I got another package here which we're gonna try to open it up, and this is from Sino GNSS, and this should be a rover called Venus. So let's see what comes in this box. I waited for this one, for a while. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. I got a nice vest here. Got a couple of brochures, which is great. That's great. Thank you very much. Okay, beautiful. Then we got the calendar. Oh yes, few of them. So that's great. And piece of resistance. The Sino, look at me, the Sino box. Look how small this thing is. This, even comparing to the other ones, it's so small. Oh, this is so great. So let's just open it up here. We have a quick user guide. We have the Venus itself. Look how cute and small and so light. We have a couple of cables here, USB C to USB, of course, right? Then for charging, the USB dongles there for North American standard. We do have I don't know, the clamp. Ooh, this is like heavy duty one for the controller, I assume, which is great. Let's put that sucker back, and a couple of grips for the controller, and of course we got our controller itself. So this is R60 data controller. Looks it has the screen protector applied, full QWERTY keyboard, full couple of functions here, and of course it's a USB-C, so that's great. Charging, so very similar to one from the eFix there. I don't even know how that way it fits. And I just have something in here which is Sino GNSS USB key. Wow, this looks really fantastic. So probably user guides and everything, but I can't get enough of this little thing. Look, this little thing is just phenomenal. And I can't wait. Very light. Can't wait to test it out. Okay, just stay tuned for more products from Sino. They are coming. Here is a list of what should be included, but obviously this is from the different receiver. Quick guide workflows for the software. Also, this card is more for the but this is incredible. Stay tuned for more videos on this.